quick, I'll show you how I dice my onion. So what I do is I make very small slices, depending on the size you want your dice to be. Make a slice, but I don't cut all the way across the onion. As you can see, I leave the top intact to make it easier to dice. So I'm going to go all the way across. Almost like a kind of butterfly slicing. So you can see that all the way across I've cut it. And then I'm just going to make perpendicular cuts to my first set of cuts. And slicing is just that easy. I do have that last piece that I left still intact. And what I do is I just cut those last few pieces to get a dice. That's it.